Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Now today's topic is trigonometry of standard 10, class 10 standard. Today I discuss about the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. This is the topic of today also. Now I draw an triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. All these things in a trigonometry discuss about the right angle triangle in the first quadrant. Okay. Now today I discuss about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. What is the complementary angle? All of you know when two angle addition of two angle be 90, then this angle is called the complementary. Addition of two angle be 90, then this is called the complementary angle. Now I discuss about this angle of trigonometric ratios. Now I take sine A. Sine A is what? I already said opposite sides by hypotenuse, opposite sides of angle, that means BC, by hypotenuse AC. And now this is the angle C is become what? 90 minus A is this, angle C is this. Then the angle C is this one. Show the sine C. Sine C is what? Sine C is what? Sine C is opposite sides BA by hypotenuse. Okay. This is also be what? This is also be cos A. You write, I write here it. Cos A means adjacent side AB by hypotenuse. AB or BC same. Clear? This is also be cos A. And now I just put here C replaced by 90 minus angle A. So what is the relation between this complementary angle? Therefore, sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Similarly, cos 90 minus A is sine A. Okay, this is the relation between complementary angle of trigonometric ratios. Now I take tan A. What is this tan A? Opposite by adjacent, BC by BA. Okay. Now, what is cot A? What is cot A? All of you know what is cot A. Cot A is just this one, BA by BC. Okay. Now, what is tan C? Tan C what? Tan C, I take this is angle, then BA by BC also. Then these are same. Tan C. Tan C means what? 90 minus theta A, 90 minus angle A. Therefore, tan C is also written as 90 minus angle A. This is also cot A. Okay. This is also cot A. Okay. Now, another relation 90 minus. Okay. Now this one. This is the first relation. This is relation 1. And this is tan 90 minus A means cot A. This is the another relation. Now I take sec A. Sec A what? Hypotenuse by adjacent, SE by AB. Okay. Now cosec A. Cosec A what? Hypotenuse by opposite. Okay. Sec C what? Sec C. I take C angle. Sec C what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. This is Sec C I can write, C also I can write 90 minus theta. Sec of 90 minus angle A. Okay, this is also as same as cosec A. This is as same as cosec A. This is the another relation of complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Now what is the, now I take together, then cos sin 90 minus A is cos A and cos 90 minus A is sin A. Then sec 90 minus A is cosec A. I also write cosec 90 minus A is sec A. I also can write here. And tan 90 minus A means cot A. I also can write here. Cot 90 minus A is tan A. Okay, these three are main criteria. The sin 90 minus A is cos A. Cos 90 minus A is sin A. Sec 90 minus A is cosec A. Cosec 90 minus A is sec A. And cot 90 minus A is tan A. And tan 90 minus A is cot A. This is the main relation between complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Okay, now I discuss few sums under this criteria. Now I discuss about the few sums under the complementary angles. Okay, now I take here few sums of different types. First I discuss this one. This is sine 18 degree and here cos 72 degree. Okay, now you look 18 plus 72 what? What is this? 90. Okay, I can write 18 also. 90 minus 72 I can write also. Clear? Here I write sine in place of 18. I write 90 minus 17 also. And cos 72 here. Like this. Okay. Then which I said I write here also. Sine 90 minus A cos A. This formula I apply here. This is also be cos 72 degree by cos 72 degree. Then cancel, the answer be 1. I think all student understood. Okay, now this one. First you write here 26 plus 64 is what? 90. Then I can write 26 is 90 minus 64. I can write, just you place 26 90 minus 64 and then cot 64. Okay, and which formula? I already know this formula. 90 minus A is cot A. Here I apply here also this formula. Here I write this is cot 64 and then denominator also be cot 64. Then cancel, the answer be 1 again. Very easy. If you understood these things, just you do this one in the right side. Okay? Then this is very easy to do these maths. That's why I give the name of this class Fearless Maths class. Okay, there is nothing fear. Now I take here sec. First of all, you write here 31 plus 59 what? Again 90. Then 31 is what? 90 minus 59. I can write also. Okay. Now here you write, in place of 31, you write cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59. This is 59. Sec 59. This is sec 59 degree. Now cosec 90 minus A. I know. Cosec you also know. 90 minus A is sec A. Know that. Now this one is, I can write here sec 59 degree and minus sec 59 degree here. Then this cancel. The answer is 0. Okay. Listen carefully. When you cancel division, the answer becomes 1. When you cancel subtraction, the answer becomes 0. Maximum students do wrong. Okay. This is, listen carefully. Okay. The answer be 0. Okay. Now I discuss this sum. Now I take another sum. Then so that. I take LHS. Look at the board very carefully. This one and this one you just add here. 48 plus 70, 42. What is this? 90. Okay? Add 90. Then you write 48, this one. Then 23 plus 67 is what? Again 90. And 23 is replaced by 90 minus 67 also. Clear? Just you write 10 90. Don't write 10 48. You write just in place of 48 you write 90 minus 42. Clear? Now tan 23. In place of tan 23 you write tan 90 minus 67. And this one you just put here. Tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. This degree, this degree. Now you do in rough also here. Tan 90 minus theta. What I said in before? Cot theta. Cot 42 degree. Again here cot 67 degree. And tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree I write. All of you know, I discussed previously, tan theta means 1 by cot theta. No? Just you put here, cot you write here, cot right here. Tan theta means 1 by cot. And here you write cot 42 degree. And here you write cot 1 by cot 67 degree. Clear? Okay. Tan 42 means 1 by cot 42. Tan 67 means 1 by cot 67. Then this is cancelled and you get 1. This is RHS. Now put. Clear to all? I think clear. Okay. Now I discuss the another sum. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Now I can write here also sec. I can write here also. This is cosec 90 minus 4a. In place of sec a, in place of sec theta, I can write cosec 90 minus theta. I just already give the formula. Okay. Just this one I replace sec 4a, I can write 90 minus 4a. And this is also be cosec a minus 20. Okay. Now left hand and right hand are equal. Then angle must be equal. Okay. Just here that implies, this implies here, and now that implies 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Here. Just from here, I write 90 plus 20 is equal to 4a plus a. This is also 5a and this is 110. That implies then a is 110 degree by 5. What is this? 2 and 22 degree. Then the answer be angle A is 22 degree. Now I discuss this one again. If sec 4a is cosec a minus 20, sec 4a I can write cosec 90 minus 4a. Because I know, you also know, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Here theta is 4a. Here theta is 4a. That's why I just place sec 4a, I write cosec 90 minus 4a. Then right hand side also be cosec. Both are equal. Then angle must be the equal. Both ratios are equal here. Equality hold here. Equality hold here. That's why angle must be equal. Then just you do the equal angle, then you get the result. A is 22 degree. Now I discuss trigonometric ratios, identities of trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric identities. Clear? Don't bore. Okay. This is fearless maths class. Always remember. Don't bore. Okay. Now I draw trigonometric. Now I draw a right angle triangle. Okay. Where B is 90 degree. Clear? I discuss about the trigonometric identities. Now, identities means if you put the values of anything just like this, a plus b whole square. This is algebraic identities. Okay, 2ab plus b square. You put any value of in left hand side, then and right hand side the value become same. Okay, for any value of a, you put here 2 and b also be 2, 4 here in left hand side and right hand side also, the answer becomes same. This is called the identities. Clear? Now I just discuss about the trigonometric identities. What is this? Trigonometric identities means sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Just relation between this. Sine A. Now I will say, what is this? BC by AC. Clear? Then cos A. What is this? What is this? Cos A. BA by AC. Now you take sine square A plus cos square A. What? Just you know B square by AC square and here BA square AC square. Then you just divide by AC square. All of you know by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. You just replace by this one. All the students know by the Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Just you put here AC square and AC square cancel the answer. This is the very important identities in trigonometry. Sine square A plus cos square A is 1. This is the number 1 identity in trigonometry. Now I take the another identities. Then you just divide it by left hand and right hand side. Sine square. What is this? All this by sine square. Sine square A plus cos square A. Here also 1 by sine square A. Okay, just you divide this one. You get from this is the basic identities. You get from this, you will get the another identities also. Just you divide it by both sides sine square A. Listen carefully. Then sine square A by sine square A plus cos square A by sine square A and 1 by sine square A what? You think? I already said cosec square. Cosec square A. I already said 1 by sine A is equal to cosec A. Here also be square. That's why I write here. And sine cancelled. Then which you get? You get 1 plus. And cos by sine what? I already said cos A by sine A is cot A in my previous video. You know also. Then this is cot square A and cosec square A. Right here. This is the second identities. This is very important identities. What is this? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then you divide both sides by sin square A. Then you get the second identities. What is this? 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Now you just divide sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 by cos square A. In left hand and right hand also. Just you to separate sin square A by cos square A plus cos square A by cos square A. 1 by cos square A means what? Sec square. I already discussed. 1 by cos means 1 by cos A means sec A. And sin A by cos A means tan A. This is I already discussed in the previous class. Now if you forget this all these things, you just see my previous video, trigonometric lecture 2, 1, whatever. Next, sin A by cos A what? Tan. Then tan square A. And this is cancelled. 1. This is also be sec square A. This is the third identities. Then first identity is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. The second identity is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. And the third identities be tan square A plus 1 is sec square A. Listen very carefully. Now I discuss about the few sums under these identities. I all of you understood what I am telling now, these things? All these things what I already discussed, all of you understood? Yes. Now I discuss few sum under the trigonometric identities. Now sine square 63. You can write also, in previous I discussed complementary angles under the trigonometric ratios. You can write also here sine square 90 minus 63. You can write as 27 plus 63 is become 90. That's why I write. Okay, all the students you must check carefully which angle make a 90. Then you just apply, then complementary angles formula. Then here cos square 17. You can write also 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 as 17 plus 73 is 90. Understood? Here sine square 63 plus sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus a, what? Cos. Cos square 63. Then cos 90 minus theta, sine. Sine square 73. And cos square 73 here. Then this is become 1. And this is also become 1. This is 1. And this is RHS also. Then put this sum. Oh, not put. This is the answer. Not RHS. This is the answer. Oh, find the answer also. I think so. This is so that. Okay. Evaluate. Just find the value. Okay. Now I discuss this one. Which is this? I take. This is proof that. This is proof that prove that the sum is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Just you take first LHS. Okay, all the students you take first LHS. Here cosec theta plus minus cot theta whole square. You just convert to this. Cosec means 1 by sin theta and cot means cos theta by sin theta. Now you just do the division sin theta and here just you write simplification, not division, simplification, this one. Then you do separate. This is 1 minus cos theta whole square and here sin square theta. Sin square theta you can write 1 minus cos square theta, you can write also as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is become 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? From these identities the result come. Now I write here also. I write here. Numerator is same. You can't change this numerator. Numerator is same. And then 1 minus cos square theta. That means a square minus b square. All of you know the again and use another identities, algebraic identities. What is this? A plus b into a minus b. All the students know the algebraic identities. Here I apply trigonometric identities and algebraic identities also. Clear? Then you cancel this and this. You get the result 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is RHS and prove this one. Just you do like this. You collect. You go to the you go to the next part of the video. Now you pause the video and write it all these things. Okay. Just you write it. Okay. Now that's all for today. You collect the few sums from the any book in any board also. Yeah, class standard class 10. You just collect the sums from the any book, from any board also. Collect these sums under this trigonometric identities and complementary angles. You do. If you have any doubts, please you tell me in the comment section. Please, please, please. No one do the maths. No one have any doubts. You all the students know all maths. Why I am doing the videos for you? No one make any mistake also. Please, please, you do maths, do maths. And if you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. And if you like my video, please press the like button and you press the bell icon to get the further notification. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all for today.